Oh, welcome back to
17,000 flavors of Indonesia.
Okay.
So we waited a week since we bought this.
Smell it.
Oh yeah, now it has a nice smell.
Yeah, no. Okay, so we bought a week ago.
What is it?
It's called Jackfruit.
Okay.
We call
like Jack and Jill.
Nangka. Buah Nangka.
Buah Nangka.
Buah Nangka.
Okay.
Or Cempedak.
Cempedak.
Oh, something else. Cempedak and Nangka is different. I think Cempedak is bigger and Nangka is smaller. But I do love this Nangka. Alright then, so it
smells good. Alright.
And they are look like durian, but kind of not really. Durian is very sharp, the thorn.
Okay.
And this one is.
This is pretty.
Yeah.
Like pokey.
Okay. Oh, this smells so
good.
Make juice. Okay, so the moment of truth.
Go.
Oh wait. When you open these, because they have a lot of sap, what you need to do before you pick all of the fruit inside, you need to put oil on your hand so you don't have that kind of.
Oh.
Give me your hand.
Okay. Interesting.
Okay, so wrap your hand. Okay. We're gonna cut. Just a little bit. Oh my gosh, hopefully it's not kaput. It's too kaput. No. Maybe it's too kaput, no? Maybe it's too long. We open it too long. We wait it too long.
Yeah?
But she says a week. Oh.
Is it too long?
I think so. But okay. Ooh, take a look at that. Oh, take a look at the sap. I need.
What's that?
That white sap.
Oh, that's the sap you're talking about.
Yeah,
okay.
so
Okay. All right. So now what?
Pick one by one. Oh, it's
but we don't eat that, right?
No. That's right. Mmm.
Mm.
But it is too. How call that?
It's very sweet.
Yeah, it's very sweet. You have to clean first. Don't eat the sap. Oh my gosh, it's too much. Oh.
It's probably only. Yeah, we should have probably done it the other day.
Yeah. But be careful with this. If you eat too much, you can get stomach up.
Oh yeah.
But you have to eat something first. Well, maybe at the bottom is okay.
Let's go. All right. So, what would you normally do with this?
Juice.
Okay.
Or just eat like this. Or we dehydrate it so it's become crunchy, and then you use as
okay.
My guess, but this is too. But we can do something with the seed. We're gonna do something with the seed. So take the seed out. Yeah, it's too ripe. I don't know what type of this. It's not good, babe. Okay.
All right. Well.
Then the lady says it's 1 week.
Yeah, but we should have done it the other day.
But I think the top of the Nangka is not. Still good, but it's too like mushy.
Yeah.
Then I'm just gonna.
So what are you gonna do with those?
This?
Yeah.
We're gonna make something munching.
Oh, okay.
Take that. It's become compost now.
Yeah.
Okay. That's
all right. Well,
I think we're gonna make something with this then.
But you're gonna dry them out a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna clean these, and then I'm gonna make something like a munchies thing.
Oh, okay.
Or maybe we can make crackers with this. I think I have an idea. We can make crackers with this. Let me think. Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, or maybe you have idea what to do with this slimy how you call it? Salami, mushi, nangka, or jackfruit, let us know. I don't know.
Otherwise, it's going into the compost.
Yes, it's going to the compost.
Yes.
Because tomorrow we are going to Virginia. I don't
Yes,
think
to
so
see
we
my
can-
mom.
Yes.
A couple
Alright
days.
then. Thank you
Okay.
so much for watching with our kucuk-kucuk messy. But remember, when you do nangka, you have to
Put some oil on your hands
oil
so
first it's easy to clean.
the sap doesn't
Done.
make it sticky.
Alright
Because I
then.
think I got some on my lips. Now my lips are sticky. Maybe
Alright
it'll seal my mouth shut.
it better.
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe.
Okay.
All right, guys.
Thank you
very much.
Bye bye.